One of the world's top manufacturers of industrial robots is planning to spin that business off into a standalone company in the coming months. Industrial conglomerate ABB announced Thursday that it expects its robotics division to separate from its other operations and begin trading as a new public company in roughly a year's time. ABB Robotics is the world's second largest robotics maker, lagging only Japan's Fanuc in a market that remains poised for growth amid long-term labor challenges in manufacturing. Of late, however, the business has struggled due to a slowdown in the automotive sector and, most recently, concerns about the impact of U.S. tariffs on the global economy. Company officials added that the robotics business and the rest of ABB's operations have different market and demand characteristics, along with limited business and technology synergies, contending that each would benefit from a more focused governance and capital allocation. The segment saw 2024 revenues of $2.3 billion, which amounted to 7% of the overall total posted by ABB Group, and it employs about 7,000 people. Reuters noted that the spinoff would represent the biggest change at the Swiss company since the 2018 sale of its power grid business to Hitachi. ABB also posted its latest quarterly earnings on Thursday, including $9.2 billion worth of orders in the first quarter and $7.9 billion in revenue. I'm Andy Zoll. This is Manufacturing Now.